Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today we are going to talk about volume of a rectangular prism. Okay, just try to understand it. This lesson is very easy for you. Before starting the concept and questions, let's try to understand what is the meaning of volume. Okay, for example, in the previous lessons you have studied about perimeter. Perimeter means outline, or you can say boundary or border. Okay, this is called perimeter. When we talk about area, when we have to deal with the region covered inside, then this is called area. And when we will talk about volume, volume means its capacity to hold. Okay, capacity of any box or any container to hold is called volume. For example, you have a can of cold drink or bottle of cold drink. Okay, this cold drink can hold 1 liter, for example, so its volume will be 1 liter. If you have a ice cream box which can have, for example, say 2 gallons of ice cream or 2 gallons of oil, so its volume will be 2 gallon, or whatever its capacity, that will be the volume. Okay, so whenever you need to fill something inside, like capacity to hold, then that is called volume. Okay, now what is the rectangular prism? You see, prism means something goes on the with the same base up to certain height, like this is the circular prism, or you can say cylinder. So same here, you see its base is a rectangle. This is a rectangle, if you can imagine this, and then on this rectangle we have certain height, so that is called rectangular prism. Okay, or you can say prism means whose width or length is same from top to bottom, that is called prism. Okay, now you can see here we have three things in the prism. First is called length, another will be called width, and third will be called height. Okay, so this surface, if you can see here, I'll change the color so that you can understand this surface. That surface is called what? It is called base. Base means this is the downmost surface. Yes, this one. So base area will be what here? Base is a rectangle, so area of rectangle is what? Length multiply width. Okay, so what is the volume of the rectangular prism? Volume of the rectangular prism will be, this is the basic formula for any prism, not only for the rectangular prism. For all types of prism, volume formula is area of base times height. Area of base times height. So if it is a circular prism, then you will take circular area. If it is a triangular prism, then you will take area of triangle. Okay, here it is a rectangular prism, so we will talk about area of rectangle. So what is area of rectangle here? L times W and then times height. So what is the formula here? LWH, and its unit will be unit cube. It can be meter cube, it can be centimeter cube, millimeter cube, or anything. Okay, so in general you will see in your book that it is written B times H. What is B here? B is the area of base. So just try to understand, doesn't matter what is written where. If you have a clear cut concept, then you can solve the question easily. Now my dear students, you see in this formula I am just writing in different color. See, in this formula, volume is equal to LWH. We have four things. One is volume, another is length, another is width, and another is height. Four things are there, and out of these four things, three things will be given to you in the exam. In any question, three things will be given to you, and you will have to find the fourth thing. Okay, and it will be very easy equation for you to solve. Let's start some questions. For example, here they say find the volume of the box with the given dimensions. So this is length, this is width, and this is height. So just apply the formula for volume. It is length multiply width multiply height, means 4 times 2 and 1 over 2 times 3 and 1 over 2. Now all these mixed fractions you will convert into improper fractions. So it will be 4 times 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 over 2 times 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7 over 2. Now just simplify this. 2 times 2, 4, and 4 is up, so it is cut. So 5 times 7 means 35 feet cube, or you can say cubic feet. Both are same thing, okay? Now like this, how easily we can find the answer if you are good in calculation. Now here they say if the volume of the box is 52. Now you see volume is given, this is volume, okay, cubic meter. Then find the missing side. So width is missing here. So again write the formula here, length multiply width multiply height. So volume is 52, length is 6.5, w width means we don't know, it is x, and height is 4. So see, all these things are in multiplication with x, so it is just a single variable equation. And how you will simplify this? Everything will go in the division to another side. So it will be 52 divided by 6.5 times 4. Okay, I am sure that you are good and well aware of these calculations, so I am doing it little quickly, okay, to save your time. Now 52 divided by 4 means 13. Now for 6.5 we have decimal point, but in 13 we don't have decimal point. So what we can do, just cancel the decimal point and put 1 0 up, and it is 65. Now I think 130 will be divided by 65 and it will be 2 times. So height, width of the box is 2 meter. Don't forget to mention the unit, okay? Now next question can be a thermal box. Thermal box means where that you put the ice cubes for which lasts for the long time, okay? A thermal box has to be filled with the ice cubes. One ice cube cost 2 dirham. Then how much money will be spent if this box has to be filled with the ice cubes? Okay, now here I think they have not given the volume of the ice cube. So okay, no problem. We'll take some volume of the ice cube. For example, because this question I have taken myself, so let's say volume of the ice cube is volume of one ice cube is equal to, say for example, 1.5 centimeter cube, okay, 1.5 centimeter cube. Now remember my dear students, here it is centimeter cube, but here it is meter. So we'll see it later on what to do, okay? Now it is or we can make it little easier for right now. It is 1.5 meter cube, okay? Then we'll see how to convert the units later on, okay? Now volume of the box is, volume of box will be length, width and height. So this is length means 5, width means 2 and height means 6. So 5 times 2 10, 10 times 6 60 meter cube, okay? Now volume of one ice cube is 1.5 meter cube. So total number of ice cubes, how it will be? How you will find this? Total number of ice cubes, volume divided by one volume, okay? Now here we have decimal point, but numerator we don't have. So cancel this denominator division, that decimal point, and put 1 0 up. Now it will be divided, so it will be 40. So 40 ice cubes we can put in the box, okay? Now they say for one ice cube cost is 2 dirham. So total cost will be, total cost for one ice cube we have to pay 2 dirham. So for 40 ice cubes it will be 40 times 2 means AED 80 dirham you have to spend, okay? Now my dear student, just I think you have noticed that I wrote here centimeter cube, okay? So I will try to explain in another video that how to convert the unit from one unit to another unit, and which will be really very important for you in some questions, okay? And I am sure this video you liked it, and if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel. And my dear students, if you don't like the video, even then please subscribe my channel, okay? Thank you.